right through back to the bare wood because we're dealing with very thin finish at this point. But I still want to smooth it out, so something that's padded is perfect. So what I'm going to do is just rub the surface, and it doesn't take much. 3 or 4 strokes on each section is about all it takes to give you a glass smooth surface, and that's what we're looking for. So I'm going to go over the whole thing, and this does create a little bit of dust, but look how good you could be here on the corners. You could really smooth them out. You'll see it'll dust up, it'll chalk up a little bit because the finish is fully dry. But you can smooth over those corners perfectly, and you don't have any detrimental effects. Once again, I'm going to remove the dust with a damp rag. And now with a fresh cloth, we do our second application.
Dustup. Dustup. Dustup.